That is a genuinely horrible noise that Hammond's car's making, and he just keeps doing it. He keeps stamping one pedal, then stamping the other one in his binary style.
Oh, hello, this looks like a tunnel opportunity.
Hammond, you're deliberately making an irritating noise. Please stop it.
I am, yeah.
Sadly, the engine noise wasn't the only irritation.
Is this just going to be a tour of Italy's petrol stations?
Well, it depends how far apart they are, doesn't it, really? Look at it this way. Think of the snacking opportunity. You come to Italy for food.
Yeah, but not crisps. A quick situation update. I'm driving through sunny Italy. Shut up!
Bad news, James. I'm afraid there's a tunnel coming up.
Are you ready?
Don't do it, Hammond. Just relax.
You are gonna love that.